In your previous videos, you've learned how the dashboard works. In the dashboard video, you learned also how to navigate WordPress. Then you've got how to edit a product and how to add the two types, simple and a variable product. What I'm going to show you now is how to edit pages. Okay, so the beauty of Elementor is that once you learn how to edit one page, it's effectively the same to edit on every other page because the page builder is the same. The only thing that changes are the elements, which we call widgets. So what you do is once you've logged in, you'll come to your dashboard and you'll go to pages. Once that page loads, you will see that you got your cart, which is Elementor. So everything that shows Elementor has been built with Elementor. Okay, as you see, the sample page that comes pre-built with WordPress, we haven't even touched. Okay, so now what we've got is we've got our terms and conditions, Elementor, shop page. You can't build that out of Elementor. That's in the template, which I'll explain to you in the next video. What we'll now do is we're going to edit the front page. As you can see, here's your front page and it's dedicated as a front page. Because remember in the first video I showed you, under settings, we showed you that we've told WordPress that that's the front page, no matter what. Okay, so now there's two types to edit. There's two ways to edit this page. We can go edit here or click on edit with Elementor. Okay, there's actually another way that if you're in the front end, once you've logged in and you're viewing it, you'll see this black bar here. You can go edit page there or edit with Elementor. I'm not a fan of doing that. Again, I like to work in the back end. So what we're going to do is we're going to go edit. Again, right click, open in a new tab. Okay. The reason why I'm doing this is so you can get an idea of the back end. As you can see, it looks kind of similar to the add in a product. You've got your page title here. You've got your focus SEO there. You've got your meta description. You've got your page attributes, which you don't need to change, and your featured image, which is on WhatsApp. You asked me to make that the image. So if you want to change that, so for example, you want to take your link and copy it and send it into Facebook, into a WhatsApp, into an SMS, you would change that image there. So whatever image you put there will appear when you send the link, and that's what will show up in Google eventually. Right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to click Edit with Elementor. Now the page builder will load as quick as your internet will allow it to load. So we're just going to have to wait now for it to load. As you can see, you've got a green bar that goes to the top there. That shows you the progress, and then it will load. As you can see, it will load here. So just to give you an example, you see here that you've got a black bar. Those are where your Google AdSense works. Your Google AdSense will not appear while you're editing the front page of Elementor. If you had to click on it, it should actually go small. If we click here, there is your code there. So every time you load, do not be alarmed that it doesn't show in here. It won't show in the page builder, okay? But it's showing on the front end there, okay? So what you do is, as you got here, you've got your widget. Here's your navigation. You've got your widget. You've got your title. We want to change the title there. We can go to style. We can change as you can see, the color there. Set face mask. If you want to change here, women clothing on sale. You'll see there, it will say women clothing on sale now. All right, so as you can see, everything is you got to go around and play around with it. The beauty of it is that if you make a mistake, don't click update here, just refresh the page and click reload. Then everything that will originally be there will be there, and all the changes that you've made that you don't want to keep will be removed. Right. So this is your slider. To change the background, you'll click this blue button at the top here. You can see the width there. You've got the height. There we go there. You go style. There's your image there. We've got a background overlay, which 0.6, as you can see there, changes there. So 0.6. Okay, so that is how you change your banner. Scroll down here. As you can see now, this is showing white. Just ignore it. If you know it's there and you see the block here, that's all you need. Scroll down here. This is a title product. This is a title widget. Hence widget. You can heading widget title there. This is where you can put your wording in. So you can go, hi Enoch. As you go there, you see it and it's appearing, or you can click here and right there. Okay. These are your products. Every time you select an image, I always like to right click and go edit. There we go. We've got 4 columns. We can make it 5 if you want. Go like that and go 1 row. There you go. It will just change it like this. I'm not a fan of that. I like to keep it quite simple for users. So we go like that. There we are. There's plain. Guys can see the images clearly. Scroll down. These are the categories. This is here. Again, right click, edit category. We can make it like this. You can go there if you want. Again, I like to be even. Scroll down here. This is a gallery carousel. So if you wanted to add more images, you would literally just add image, select the image you want, and then insert, and then it will appear there automatically. If you click here, change the about us, you can do that. This is a text box. As you can see, you can make this column a little bit wider. Click this button here. Now it kind of looks like Word. So you can play around with it. You go to style, you click color text, you can change it like that. Okay, so you can change the positioning of the writing. So as you can see, it's very self-explanatory. You scroll down here, you've got the team. There's your image there. There's your content. There's your name, and your title is Operations Director. You can put there, for example, CEO, and it will change to CEO. There we go. Right, you can go under style, border radius. We won't have to worry about it. Let's go space in between. Let's find one. Let's go the image and go size. Boom. Okay, so now I'm not going to save any of these changes. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it quite big. So now let's say I've made this change on Enoch, but now I want it to show on these other 2 ladies. But I can't remember exactly what I did. So, and the different features. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to go copy. Now we can't go paste because watch, it's just going to paste you again, Enoch. So what we'll do is we'll delete that. And now what we're going to do is we're going to right click and we're going to paste style. Can you see there? Boom. All of a sudden, everything that you made change here, the image, the whatever you'd like, the color text. Let's change the color text. Let's change the text. So let's make it red. Okay, we're going to right click, copy, right click, paste style. Can you see everything is there? So that is how an easy way of making the change once but duplicating it, and quick and simple. We're going to scroll down here. Here's your contact. There is again a Google AdSense. There's your code there, so don't be alarmed. Scroll down here. Here is your address here, your WhatsApp. This link here is basically, if they click on it, will send you a WhatsApp message. There's your mail. Thank you for placing your order. Here is your contact. There's the form there. This is your address. So that is how you'd edit your front page. Now, the beauty of Elementor is that every time you edit a page, regardless what the page is. So let's just close this. We won't worry about it. We're going to leave. We don't need to change the settings. Save the settings. So let's edit the terms and conditions with Elementor. And again, I've made one of my mistakes is that I've clicked, instead of right clicking to open a tab, I've just simply clicked on it. As you can see, it's taken you away from the back end. So now terms and conditions, look here, it's just adding it's exactly the same. You've got your text item. So don't be alarmed, don't be too scared of trying around and playing. Just, we're going to leave because we don't want to save the changes. Just, if you don't know what to do, just don't hit save. Do what I did. Load it, play around, and then go back. It won't change. It won't save the changes. That is how you'd edit any of your Elementor pages in WordPress.